Today we're talking about common EGR valve problems. The EGR valve, or exhaust gas recirculation valve, helps reduce emissions by recirculating exhaust gases back into the engine. But when it fails, your engine performance suffers. First, carbon buildup. Over time, carbon deposits block the valve or its passages, causing rough idle, hesitation, and poor acceleration. Second, the valve can get stuck. If it's stuck open, your engine may stall or idle roughly. If it's stuck closed, you'll notice increased emissions and engine knocking. Third, let's talk about faulty sensors or solenoids. Modern EGR systems, are electronically controlled. When these components fail, you'll often get a check engine light with codes like P0401 or P0402. Fourth, vacuum leaks. On older vehicles, cracked or disconnected vacuum lines can cause the EGR to stop working properly, and that can lead to some noticeable performance issues. Lastly, clogged intake or exhaust passages. Even if the valve itself works, blocked passages from carbon buildup can stop the system from working correctly. If your car is running rough, losing power, or throwing a check engine light, you might want to check your EGR system. Cleaning or replacing it can solve the problem and honestly restore your engine's performance.